RT722MLW400B Capillary Rheometer is the newest product developed by Wright Company. It adds a ruler display that gives you a very clear idea of where your feeder bar is located at the moment. This machine meets the part of Capillary in ISO 11443. Determination of plastic flowability by capillary and slit rheometer, and HG/T4300-2012. Determination of rubber rheological properties by plunger-tight capillary rheometer method. This rheometer is a computerized measurement and control through the software to automatically determine the pressure, temperature, speed and other detection parameters of different plastics in different mouth mold environment. The software automatically draws curves and saves and prints the data. When the test is completed, we can break the chamber can be over, easy for you to clear the material, no matter you are manually clearing the material, or with the aid of electric power to clear the material, can be very convenient for you to clean the chamber. After cleaning the chamber back to the original position to lock, you can carry out the next test, which greatly saves labor costs and test time.